The stories we tell ourselves as a nation and as a people influence the country we become. I've listened to the request of the chairman of the guild. While I wait the full write-up, noted that the corporate tax relief, part of the reform, VAT exemption for media tax credits, affordable loans from BOI and DBA. Establish development grants for digitization, repeal laws that inhibit press freedom, discuss it now, highlight it if you know. I, as your president, endorsed the proposals. Media and safety data will be our account. Distinguished editors, your work matters. The tone you sent in your newsroom. I watched the tone on some channels recently on Alhambra election. Before the result, you start here, vote to buy, vote to buy. Who is selling? If there's no reason to complain, let's be cheerleaders. It's our country. It is our country. We are going to be discussing the value charter from here. What should be worrisome to you is the image of the country you project over the outside world. How well your institution is making effort to build a nation of credibility with integrity that is required. Yeah, we may be poor. Poverty is not going to be our master. We are going to come out of it. Yes, we are challenged by terrorism, banditry, and others. We recognize that. Are we doing something about it? Are we inspiring the armed forces? Are we encouraging them to fight? They put their lives on the line to defend the national sovereignty of this country. It is our responsibility. Take it as part of laundry list of discussions here. Your request is in my pocket. Follow up as I wish you a constructive, thoughtful, and fruitful deliberations. I look forward to the outcome of your discussions. Thank you. God bless Federal Republic of Nigeria. I declare the conference open.